Welcome to the Cooking General. Today we're gonna do some Spanish. Menudo. Look at here. We got our beef tripe cut up, 1 inch strips. We're gonna put some pig feet in there. We're gonna put some hominy corn. We're gonna have some garlic. We're gonna use this here Fiesta Menudo spice seasoning. We got cilantro, jalapeno, and onion. And we're gonna put this menudo together, and we're finna get ready for the Cooking General. Cooking General back. Let's show you how this menudo go. Check it out. Let's get to that pot. You wanna put your tripe off in that water. We finna ball this here. We're gonna ball that tripe. Put your tripe in there. Take your onions, cut them in quarters like that, and put them in there. Don't worry about breaking them apart, they'll get apart anyway. Now you want to take some of that minced garlic, and you want to put some of that in there. About right there. You want to get all that out. There we go. Right there. Then you want to put them pig feet in there too. We're going to put the pig feet in there too. Throw them off in that water. Now, we got that there. We finna let this go for about 3 hours. And I'll be back to tell you how it turns out. Cooking General. Oh, Cooking General. Hold on. Gotta tell y'all. Add just a little bit of this here Fiesta Menudo seasoning to your mix before you start balling it. Not much of it. About that much. Now, that's about a little bit less than a quarter of the package. So we're gonna save this here for when we get ready to really cook it. Alright.
Cooking General, you didn't tell us what temp to cook it on.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just going so fast this menudo thing I'm so excited about. Okay, you start your water off, you boil it first. When you get it boiling, you put your food in there, put that seasoning in there, and get it to boiling. Once it gets to boiling, put it on medium. And then let it cook for about 3 to 4 hours. And I'll show you what to do next. Alrighty, we're back. Now, look here. We took the water from that we boiled, dump it off. Don't use none of that water. Throw it away. Add new water to it. Okay, now, after you boil it about 3 to 3.5 hours, throw that water away. They eliminate the grease. Okay, here we go. Now, we finna add some hominy corn to it. You put that hominy corn in there and get every grain out of there. Matter of fact, put a little water in there and shake it out. Make sure you got all them juices out of there. Put that in there. Now, hold on. Now, if you added that to it, you want to put you a little bit more onions in there. Because it's your final product. Because you already took that out. Now, what you want to do next is add some more garlic. And put some more garlic in that bad boy. A little garlic in there. There you go. You're starting all over again, remember? You put all your stuff in there earlier, but you want to dump it, and you want to add that to it later. Now, the last part you want to do, you want to add the rest of your Fiesta seasoning to it. There we go. And let it go for about 1 more hour and you through. Oh, Cooking General back. Now, this is it. Check it out. Now, we got all this is done. We drain the water. Look at them pig feet. Look at that. See they tender? They falling apart. And that corn. Okay, check it out. Now, we're going to add some cilantros and jalapenos. All in that one. And get all that out of there, man. I don't give a dang. You got a vacuum cleaner. I'm not leaving one crumb. This plate gonna be white as hell by the time I finish with it. All right, get all that out of there. If you can't get it all out, put a little of that water in it and rinse it. Get it out. Get it out of there. Now, you put some white flour tortillas on, and this is what you're gonna eat it with. You brown them there, you turn them over. Oh man, look at that. Okay, now, and that is a good eating right there. Now, look at that. Stir that there. Check this out. Come on here and check this out. Move this over. With that there. I can't imagine how much time I'm showing y'all this. Oh, it ain't not gonna work. I quit this YouTube stuff. Watch my shit. Watch me.
What? Acting like the hell.